Have you ever felt like the future is just a touch away, but not sure how to reach it? Digital transformation is your bridge to innovate the way businesses engage with customers, operate, and innovate services. Our unique course leverages design thinking and online learning to minimize theory and maximize practical experience. You'll earn certificates and gain real-work experience while learning about design science and actively shaping your education. You will start by choosing your role. Are you interested in how digital strategy has changed the business ecosystem? Or do you prefer to learn about digital tools to improve marketing campaigns? What about learning how to manage digital projects and digital teams? Or maybe you are interested in digital tools that are changing the way financial analyses are done in big and small firms. We will show you how each discipline is impacted by technology and explain you which ones are the new job categories. And don't worry if you change your mind, you can switch role during the first semester when you will explore digital marketing, the future of work, and digital ecosystems. You will get certificates from online universities and work with your team to perform hackathons with leading firms to apply your knowledge. Then, in your second semester, you specialize in a role and work with a firm which might be able to partner your bachelor thesis. Here is an example of what students did in the first semester. Let's suppose that you chose digital strategy. The first week, you start by learning digital strategy online. During the hackathon, you work in a team to help a restaurant acquire new clients. Then, you test your strategy with a Google Ads campaign. The last week, you finish your project and your course to get your certificates. And don't forget that there is a networking event at the end with the firms. Let's assume that you liked your digital strategy role and that you have decided to continue in the second semester with the same firm of the first month. Now, as part of a team, you will be in charge of the whole digital marketing strategy to capitalize on an international event that will take place in the region. You will need to use CRM software, conversational agents, and large language models to build an inbound marketing strategy focused on the brand notion of sustainability. The experts will teach you how to develop your prototype without having to code. Each month, you will present a new version of your solution, test it, and help the organization manage the required changes. At the end, we will help you summarize the result of your team work into a short paper that can be presented at an international conference. In terms of prerequisites, all we need is your enthusiasm. Don't worry about language barriers or technical skills. Most training material is in English, but you can choose your language for teamwork. With low-code development and a focus on creativity, all you need to bring is your commitment. And if you're not ready to meet companies directly, our Red Team lets you explore creative ideas in a supportive environment. And if you come from far away, we might be able to find a way to let your work from remote some of the sessions. If you want to join the program, you should send an email. With limited spots, your opportunity to work with top firms and travel internationally awaits. Once we have reached 16 subscribed students, we'll sign the contracts with the firms to assign work certificates at the end. Make sure to check the type of firms in the syllabus of this year and write down the ones you'd like to work with, and maybe the role, if you already know it. Each firm will be able to take 4 students in the second semester. If you need more time to think or you don't like the firms we propose, don't worry. You can propose another firm and start with it as soon as they sign the contract. Don't forget your passport. Our program includes international training. In the past, we have been to London and Dublin to international universities and firms. Where would you like to go this year? So, what's holding you back? Take leap and reach out. With a world of international experiences and top-tier firms at your fingertips, your digital adventure is just an email away. Remember, it's about making your wildest imaginations your reality. If you need more information, you can check a video with a testimonial from a previous student. Finally, you can see here the output of a project done by the students. I hope to see you soon.